In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Elementor. If you're new to the world of web design or perhaps you're looking to enhance the functionality of your website, mastering this skill will be incredibly useful. We'll go through the process together, step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect different pages on your website using Elementor, one of the most popular page builders out there. Firstly, let's make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done so yet, simply head over to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for Elementor and hit Install, and then Activate. With Elementor ready to go, navigate to the page where you want to add the link. You can do this by going to the Pages section and selecting Edit with Elementor on the desired page. This will open up the Elementor editor, where all the magic happens. Now, you'll need to decide exactly where you want your link to appear on your page. Whether it's a piece of text or a button, select the element you'd want to add your link to. Let's say you want to link a button. Click on the button within your page, and over on the left sidebar, you'll see the Button Settings panel. Here, under the Content tab, you'll find the Link field. This is where you place the URL of the page you're linking to. It's quite straightforward, just type or paste in the full URL. If you're linking to a page within your site, you can simply start typing the page's name, and Elementor will suggest links for pages that already exist. Select the appropriate one. Remember to consider how you want the linked page to open. If you want the link to open in a new tab, toggle the setting icon next to the link field and enable the Open in New Window option. This can be particularly useful if you're linking to an external site or content that serves as a supplementary resource, so viewers remain on your original site. Once you've inputted the link, it's time to test it to make sure it works correctly. Save the changes by clicking the Update button in the Elementor editor. Navigate to the live version of the page on your site to verify that the link takes you exactly where you intend it to. Clicking on the element should direct you smoothly to your chosen destination. And that's it. You've successfully linked pages in Elementor. This skill opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing user navigation and making your website more interactive. With practice, you'll find it becomes quicker and more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Elementor.